put some on it and it blew up?
Yeah. Oh, well, we do have
Ken. Let's ask Cody.
Yeah.
Wasn't that explosion beautiful, Ken?
Hey, Cody!
Hey guys.
How's it going?
It's pretty good.
Well, we have another rocket, and we want to know if Ken wanted to go to Mars.
He could be the first one to Mars.
Yeah.
Ken's always wanted to go to Mars. He's already an astronaut.
Oh, he's an astronaut?
Yeah.
Well, even better. So we can strap him to a rocket?
I don't know, you guys. The last one exploded.
Well, that one was like the Challenger. I mean, the next rocket will be like Columbia.
Yeah.
That one exploded too, Junior.
On the way back, at least they got to see stuff.
Yeah.
Well, I guess if you guys think it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Just give us Ken, and we're going to strap him on the back of the rocket. Come on, Ken.
Come on.
Good luck, Ken.
All right, so Ken looks like he's ready to go to Mars, right, guys?
Ken, please be safe and don't talk to aliens.
Shut up, Cody. Just hurry up and say your final goodbyes.
Okay. Ken, call me every day that you're on Mars, and if you run out of oxygen... Wait, he doesn't have any oxygen.
Oh, don't worry. Mars has oxygen. Joe, light it.
Be safe, Ken.
Ken's about to go.
Goodbye, Ken. I hope you have a good trip.
There he goes to Mars.
Have fun.
What?
Ken!
Oh
my God.
I didn't know it was another Challenger, Cody.
Ken.
That sucks.
Is he dead? He might be dead, you guys.
He's probably not dead.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure he's dead.
Shut up, I don't think he's dead.
Why, Ken?
No, Cody, calm down. Calm down. Maybe he's not dead. Maybe he's not dead. Cody.
Guys,
No.
he's just a doll, Cody.
No, I didn't know he was gonna blow up. I thought maybe he would parachute down. What? Hey, look down there, Cody. Ken? What?
He's alive.
Wait, what are those rocks from?
Ken says those are rocks from Mars.
From Mars?
He went to Mars.
Wait,